you tired of clunky video editors that take hours to figure out? Ever felt overwhelmed trying to edit on your iPhone with limited tools? Or frustrated by apps that slap a watermark on everything? Well, you're not alone. Today on Web Success, we're solving that exact problem by giving you a breakdown of the top 5 free AI-powered video editing apps for your iPhone. No watermarks, no complicated learning curve, and no hidden fees. Just pure, powerful video editing made easy with the help of artificial intelligence. Each of these apps offers unique features, from smart auto edits and facial recognition to full-blown text-to-video generation. Stick around to the end, because the last app has a bonus feature that sets it apart from the rest. Let's get into it. CapCut. Let's kick things off with one of the most talked about apps, CapCut. Owned by the creators of TikTok, CapCut has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. AI features. AI Auto Cut detects the best moments in your footage and trims it automatically. Smart Captions. It transcribes your speech and adds perfectly synced captions. No need to type a single word. AI Background Remover. Erase any background instantly without needing a green screen. Style Match suggests filters and transitions based on your video's tone and content. AI Voice Effects. From robotic tones to cinematic voiceovers, all done with one tap. Why CapCut stands out. CapCut is perfect for TikTok and Instagram creators who want fast, trendy, and professional videos without the need for advanced editing knowledge. Its AI features make it super beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for pro users. Use it for short-form videos, music syncs, educational content, product videos. VN Video Editor. Next up is VN Video Editor, also known as Vlog Now. It's completely free and surprisingly advanced, especially for long-form content. AI features, multi-layer timeline. Like desktop editors, but optimized for mobile. You can stack audio, video, text, and effects with precision. AI Video Stabilization. Smooths out shaky footage instantly. Great for action or handheld shots. Auto Beat Sync matches your video clips to music rhythms using AI analysis. Cinematic AI filters. Adjust lighting, contrast, and saturation with automatic presets for a film-like look. Instant templates. Pre-made layouts for YouTube, Instagram, and Reels that adjust to your clip size. Why VN stands out. What makes VN unique is the combination of professional tools with AI-powered automation. It's ideal for creators who want more control, but still enjoy AI assistance for speed. Use it for vlogs, YouTube videos, travel edits, long-form storytelling. Magisto. If you want to create compelling stories without touching a timeline, Magisto is your best friend. AI features, auto editing engine. Upload your clips and Magisto edits them into a movie, complete with effects, transitions, and music. Face and object recognition. AI identifies important parts of your footage and highlights them. Emotion detection. The app selects music and cuts based on emotional cues in your video. Branding tools. For small businesses, Magisto adds logos, branded fonts, and intro-outro sequences automatically. Social optimization. AI picks the best formats and lengths for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Why Magisto stands out. It's hands-off editing powered by intelligent storytelling. You don't even need to know how to edit. Magisto reads your clips, picks the most powerful moments, and turns them into short films in minutes. Use it for social media ads, family videos, product showcases, business promos. InVideo AI, ever had an idea or script but no time to film? Enter InVideo AI, the app that converts your text into a fully edited video with AI. AI features, text-to-video generator, paste a blog, script, or headline. InVideo will turn it into a narrated video with visuals and transitions. Stock library sync. AI selects high-quality video clips to match your words. Voiceovers in 20+ voices. Choose an AI voice or upload your own. Syncs automatically. Design smart templates based on the platform, YouTube, Instagram, etc. InVideo optimizes the design and format. AI scene creation breaks your content into story-driven slides with voice, music, and animation. Why InVideo stands out. This app is a game changer for faceless YouTube creators, educators, and marketers. It helps you create full-length videos without recording footage or hiring a voice actor. Use it for tutorials, explainer videos, listicles, marketing content, faceless channels. GoPro Quick. You don't need a GoPro camera to use GoPro Quick, and trust me, you'll still get amazing results. AI features, smart highlight. Detection, AI picks the most action-packed or scenic moments. Auto editing with music sync. Your clips are cut to the beat with zero manual work. Hero effects, add GoPro-style transitions and graphics with a single tap. Speed tools, automatically adjust fast and slow motion sequences. Cloud backup and auto sync, keeps your edits saved and accessible across devices. Why Quick stands out? While made for action footage, Quick works beautifully with any iPhone video. It's incredibly fast, fun, and ideal for creating quick montages and travel reels that look professionally edited. Use it for action videos, sports reels, vacation montages, behind-the-scenes footage. So, which AI video editing app will you try first? Whether you're a beginner trying to create your first TikTok or a business owner promoting your brand, these free tools give you professional results powered by smart AI, right from your iPhone. CapCut for trend edits, VN for control and cinematic looks, Magisto for one-tap storytelling, InVideo for turning ideas into visuals, and Quick for those fast, energetic edits. Before you go, smash that like button if this helped you, and hit subscribe for more smart digital tools and tutorials. Got another app you love? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to feature your picks in our next episode. This is Web Success, helping you grow, create, and succeed online, one app at a time.